Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Do forgive the energy today, we've got some bit of a flu, but let us deliver what we deliver best. Didi no Toba, they are now in a relationship. Yes, Didi and Toba are now in a romantic relationship, and the relationship is relationshiping. However, Utoba wants to push the relationship to be announced, of which Udidi is not yet ready, considering Oguti, the people they want to announce to are the people that are paying her school fees, her tuition fees, her tertiary fees. So her telling the family would blow her opportunity of going to school. Utoba then later got to understand Uguti girl cannot do what Utoba wants to do, which is telling the family. So apologies were made and they are back together again as Lavi Davi. Umam Kunu, on the other hand, decided to go and approach Utorin Majola. When approaching Utorin Majola, wanting to apologize, Utorin became pompous and stuff and told Hoguti, your sister was never loved. I was the one that is loved. And at this moment, you are living my life. Da 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 da. I look, and then she retaliated, end up not apologizing as per her initial plan. But Unubeko wants Mamkunu in prison because Umamkunu did the unthinkable. Kahle kahle uDoreen wants Mamkunu in prison and is pushing Unubeko to make sure ukuthi uyangena jail. Unubeko ke yena from his side athi no, this thing is square up. It's an eye for an eye. Even though the situations are not the same, but it's an eye for an eye. Umshengu acele uNdumiso, excuse me, acele uNdumiso nodonga likamavuso ukuthi bayokhuluma noNqubeko ukuthi uNqubeko angabophisi uMamchunu. Hayi shem, unfortunately, because Doreen is the one that is in power, we all know ukuthi they are going to get her arrested for attempted unaliving. With that said, everybody wants peace in the family. However, while everybody in the Mshengo family is concentrating on the chaos, Utsidi wants Undumiso to buy on the rocks where girl is pushing. But we all know that Umshengo will not sell. Umshengo will not sell that business. Umshengo is going to give Undumiso a tough time. Now it means Uguti, the story is back to Undumiso fighting with the father. But at this rate, will the wedding or the renewal of vows between Dongalga Mavuso and Katsazile continue? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. But most of all, please do watch all the videos that we have uploaded. We would like to extend an invitation by you making sure that you share these videos so that our family can grow even bigger. We appreciate your subscription. We appreciate your like. Please do share, like and subscribe.